Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my monthly and weekly analysis and predictions for Dow Jones and Tech 100. If you like and appreciate my effort, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. This is my motivation to come up with better predictions and analysis. Day on day we are benefiting from our daily analysis as most of you do comment it. So please keep continue giving that support. Please share it across your friends family network and every share across your social media platform. Any share across your social media platform is going to give definitely a good support to me. Please keep continuing that, and I hope all of you are profiting or some of you are definitely profited. So please continue this support and we can benefit from your shares in across network, and the channel can grow as well. So now let's start the analysis for the month with the Dow Jones and Tech 100. Please be patient and watch till the end. The efforts which we give in analysis, you have to give at least 10 to 20 minutes of your time to watch till the end. Definitely you will find some meaningful nuggets to continue and make a profitable trading decision ahead. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones did achieve 35,000 plus levels and did go below 33,000, go below 33,300 levels, close to 33,300 levels this month, while Tech 100 remained below 14,000 and went below 13,000 as well, close to 12,950. Now let's have a look what does the monthly charts of Tech 100 is indicating towards. So including this drop, in fact with this drop also, let's have a look at the charts here. Now still Tech 100 is in bullish channel. You can see that here it is getting good support from this upward channel which it has created since quite long, but finding some resistance at around 14,000 levels, close to 14,000 levels. So whether it could surpass this week, if it does, then we can expect it is going to hit towards 14,600 plus levels definitely. But let's have a look and let's have a deeper look what does the other charts and indicators are indicating. Next, what I would like to highlight is, see this last 2 months chart. Lower highs and lower lows, indicating that it is trying to form a channel. It is trying to form a downward trending channel. So for the week or for the month, I will expect 14,900 to be a good 13,900 to be a good resistance for any upward move, and I will expect that if it goes above 13,900, you can definitely expect that it is going to go high and it is going to rise towards 14,500 levels, close to 14,500 levels this month. So be watchful of 13,900, and also as I did share that 13,727 levels is giving a good resistance as what I had predicted in my daily analysis, which you are watching from quite some time now, and in my weekly analysis as well. I said 13,700 going to give a good resistance. It is definitely indeed giving a good resistance to Tech 100 for any upward move. So let's be watchful of this zone between 13,700 to 13,900, and if it gives a bullish move, I will wait for 3900. If it crosses this, you can remain long for the month. We are going to achieve 14,500 possibly. But on the downside, as the channel is a downward trending channel, any opening here might take it again towards 13,200 and maybe taking it below 12,800 also to achieve this. 12,800 could be the low for the month. Now this is on the monthly indicators, monthly charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On a weekly charts, interestingly I find that there is a reversal candle and it is trying to reverse from here. So now it is already, see this, it has seen a rise then a drop, now it is trying to reverse. So and it is the previous candle has already given a wick in the candle, and the next candle I will be definitely expecting it to be a bullish candle. Possibly we might go past 14,000 this week itself. So be watchful of the rise, and yes, any drop below 13500. I will not say 13500, but rather this level at around 13660 itself, 13640 itself, it will definitely give you an indication that we are going to head towards 13500 once again. A good support 13500 might not break, and we could continue with the rise. Now let's have a look. This is on the weekly charts. Now this is on the weekly charts. Also let's have a look at the daily charts. On a daily chart, similar pattern, uh, getting some stabilized move here at around. For the entire week we did not find any meaningful movement for last 5 trading sessions. Possibly once it breaks this level at around 13750, 13700 to 13750, or 13660 to 13750, definitely we are going to hit higher highs, and we are possibly going to look forward to 14,000 plus levels this week. This is my expectation for the week. But now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So on a daily chart, it has got a good support at 13600, then 13500 levels, and I had shared 13500 is definitely a level to watch for any downward move this week. On the daily charts, if you look at, see, the MACD lines are quite, trading in a bullish zone but are converging. So I will be watchful of this. RSI is pretty much comfortable and not indicating a bullish or bearish. However, on a daily chart, the stochastic is in a overbought position and trending down, so indicating that we might look forward to a little drop possibly. And how far it could go? It could go till 13500. That is what is my expectation. But on weekly charts, now this is the weekly charts, and on weekly chart we can see that the stochastic is going to cross over. Once it crosses over, we are going to look forward to a bullish move, and it might cross 14,000 levels this week. And the MACD lines are trying to converge on a weekly chart. Possibly right now it's parallel. If a bullish move this week which takes it towards 14,000, we are going to see a crossover and we might see a rise. And on the monthly chart, if you look forward to, again, see, it has already seen two highs. Now it is trying to look forward to that what could be expected out of this. See, however the bottom here is stable, and it is trying to give a good breakout, maybe on the upside or downside. We are definitely going to have a look. So on the monthly chart, see, have a closer look at the stochastic on a monthly chart. We can see that it is reversed here, and the stochastic has crossed over towards a bullish move. And looking towards this, it appears that we might trade in a bullish zone itself, and we might it might cross. If it crosses this 13,900 levels this week, this month, you can remain long and we could achieve a target. So now I am going to give you here, because we are getting mixed signals, I am going to give you a mixed range where we can find that what could be the possible moves for the month. So 13,900, if it crosses, you can go long. We can expect 14,470 levels, almost 500 to 600 points of move we could expect if it crosses 13,900, with a minor resistance at around 14,100. So be watchful of this. If it crosses 13,900, my next target 14,100, and then next target 14,470, we can remain bullish. However, below 13,900, I will be expecting it to get some support at 13,500, and if 13,500 is taken, I will expect it to hit 13,200 and below levels at around 12,800 also. So be watchful, and though I don't foresee that it might go till 12,800 this time, I am little in a bullish mood, so we might expect it to trade between 13,500 to 14,500 possibly this month. And this is what I will expect for Tech 100 to trade in. However, the channel which we saw on a monthly chart, we see that it has seen a lower low and a lower high. So any break above 13900 will only confirm a bullish move. Till that time you can between this zone at around 13900 to 13500 trade cautiously, as this is a indecisive zone. Maybe you can benefit from the swings from our daily analysis which I share before market open, and from the weekly analysis as well, that what could be expected. And but yes, any break below this is only what we could expect, that it is going to hit through us 13200 and 12800 levels. Now for this week I will expect it to, again for this week I will expect it to trade in between 13500 to 14,000 levels, close to 14,000 levels. This is going to be my expectation for the week. Don't trade between 13,620 to 13,750. On the downside we are getting 120 points of move. On the upside I am giving you 250 points of move with a little resistance at around 13900. So be watchful. 13900 could be another resistance or hurdle which it could find for any upward move. So this is what for Nasdaq. Please keep a note of the levels, trade accordingly, keep your notifications on, and you can benefit for daily channels and daily trading levels also. Looking at Dow Jones monthly charts, see here it is very much in this bullish channel only, but on the upside it is getting some resistance. However, we have seen consistently it forming higher highs, and we can see it trading in this range for quite some time now. So if you have a closer look into this monthly chart, we this candle has formed. So looking at this candle, see previous candle we did not had a tail, but right now here we have got little bit of tail and wick is both available. The body size is short, so I will be definitely watchful of this level at around 34,000, and I will be watchful if it continues to be in bullish. I will definitely expect it to cross 35,800 or so. But this is what let's have a look if it continues to be in this bullish channel or not, and what could be expected if. Looking at the weekly charts for Tech 100 or no, Dow Jones, we could find that it has seen definitely some support on the downside and found a reversal this week. Possibly the next green candle this week might take it towards 35,000 plus levels, and if it breaks above this level at around 34,800, 34,700 levels, then and then only. So what I'm trying to say on a weekly chart, let's have a look. So I am expecting that we might see a greener candle, and this greener candle is uh, possibly might take it. I will be watchful of this level here at around 35 750 800 levels. If it crosses by this, yes, we could expect that, sorry, 34 700, then we could expect that it is going to go past 35,000 levels, and we could expect that it might hit these levels at around 35,000 also. And uh, looking at this weekly analysis, weekly charts, it appears that a second bullish candle or greener candle is going to appear, and I will be watchful of the level at around 34,700 to 800 in between. And definitely if it crosses this level, we could expect 35,000 plus levels. And looking at the daily charts here, looking at the daily chart, see here it has got a please ignore this last candle. There is some error in the platform, and I could find, please ignore this last candle. And so on the daily charts, please ignore this candle, and still very much in this upward trending channel where it is finding its next support level or next resistance level only at about 35,000 plus levels. So all the indicators are indicating that possibly we might see a bullish move, and the Dow Jones might cross 35,000 once again. But let's have a look at the indicators, because these are the parameters, these are the signals which we will get, and we can definitely benefit from it. It is getting support at around 35,300 levels from moving average lines. However, looking at this, MACD lines are very narrowly trading, very narrow margin. uh, and are not very much divergent, but yes, they have crossed over recently, and with this crossover, possibly a bigger candle, or on a weekly chart a bigger rise will definitely take them diverge, and this can continue in a bullish zone for quite some time. The RSI is very much comfortable, and look at this stochastic. The stochastic is again entering into a buy zone, so possibly this is crossed over, again entering into a buy zone. See this higher highs it has formed, and with the support at the bottom. So it appears that we might hit, what I'm trying to show here is on weekly chart. See, it is formed a higher highs and lower higher lows, so possibly we might hit 35,000 plus levels once again. But these indicators, watching these indicators on the weekly charts is also equally important. As and see, on a weekly chart, this Dow Jones has formed a the stochastic has dropped considerably in right now in a sell zone. Possibly a bullish channel might take. RSI might is still in overbought position, close to overbought position, and on a weekly chart the MACD lines are about to cross over. So I will be watchful of this week, and we might find it trading in range once again, where we could see a little move. Also, let's have a look at the monthly chart. The monthly charts, Wall Street is in an overbought position. Uh, so let's, because see, this is overbought position, and with a little up move it might try to close the month in a red candle, and this is one expectation, because already it has seen a high. So I will be again watchful of 35,000 levels, and then we could expect a possible drop towards 33,000. That is also expected. Now let's have a look that let me try to give you the range for the month, but be stay tuned with the monthly analysis and weekly and daily analysis as well. So looking at this, I expect Dow Jones to trade between first zone, that is at around, let me write it down for you. So for the month, I will expect Dow Jones to trade between 35,350 to 33,700 levels, and on the upside after 350 we could expect 35,800, and below 33,700 we could expect 33,300 levels. For the week, be watchful. For the week, be watchful of the level at around 34 800. It could achieve 34,800 to 34,900 levels, and I will say 34,900, and on the downside we will definitely get some support at around 34,000 levels. So you could trade in this range for the week, and definitely we could be with me on my daily and weekly and daily analysis as well, because daily before market open it's definitely going to give you a better picture. But my expectation for Dow Jones to trade in between this range. So till the time, stay safe and be profitable for the month, and have a great week and month ahead. Thank you very much. Have a great day, friends. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you once again.